Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohamed Alveen Hussain, UKG A. Today I am going to read you a story called My Ears Can Hear. One day, a rabbit and a goat was walking in the forest when they see an elephant. The goat says, "Look at the elephant. He has a long nose and his ears are so big." "Shh, shh," says the rabbit. "His ears are moving. I think he can hear us." "Don't worry," says the goat. "He is too far to hear us." Suddenly, the elephant asked, "Are you talking about me? Are you laughing at my nose and ears? My ears can hear." "We are sorry, Mr. Elephant," says the rabbit, and they quickly walked away. The rabbit and the goat meets mother hen with her chicks. Goat asks, "Mother hen, you do not have ears. How do you hear?" Mother hen says, No, I do have two ears, one on each side of my head. You can't see them because my feathers cover them." Suddenly, a frog leaps out from some bushes. He says, "Hi there, are you talking about ears?" "Yes, Mr. Frog. Ears are very important. Without ears, we cannot hear." "Do you have ears?" "I don't see them anywhere." "I don't have ears like yours, but I can hear with my membranes just behind my eyes." Just then, a cricket jumps out from some leaves. "Good morning, everyone," says the cricket happily. "Your voices wake me up." "Where are your ears, Mr. Cricket?" asked the goat. "My ears are on my forelegs," answers the cricket. He lifts up his forelegs to show them. Meanwhile, a moth was fluttering above them. "I can hear what you are saying," says the moth. "Do you have ears too?" asked the rabbit. "Yes, I have ears, but you will never guess where they are." "Where are your ears, Mr. Moth?" asked the rabbit. "My ears are not on my head. They are on my stomach, one on each side." "Wow, what a strange place to have your ears!" shouts the goat. The rabbit says to the goat, "Shh! Be careful of what you say. Their ears can hear." The end. Jazakallah khairan.